Hi, I'm Chef Ben with Expert Village.
And today we're going to be continuing our Crock Pot series with cooking beer and cheese soup. Now first you're going to go ahead and start off with about 3 cups of chicken stock. Just go ahead and put that in there. And you're going to want about 16 ounces of Cheese Whiz, or you can use liquid cheese. Throw that in there. Right, about a 1/2 cup of melted butter. Right, about 1.5 cups of cream, and then about 3/4 of a cup of your favorite Pilsner. Pour that in there. All right, you're going to need about 8 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. All right, go ahead and set your top on, set on low, and cook for about 4 to 6 hours, and you got beer cheese soup.